So here is how to fix Roblox black screen on mobile. First, you'll need to go to Settings and then Apps, and now search for Roblox. Now in the battery, make sure you're using the recommended mode or the balanced mode. Then we need to go back and go to Storage, and then we need to clear the cache and all the data. We want to clear cache. Okay. And now let's force stop it on the bottom left here. Click force stop. Okay. Now you can close this and try to open Roblox again. And we need to try to load in into an experience, and it should work. Just wait for it to load. And as you can see, it loaded and it's working normally. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.